Hi, welcome to Norma's Beauty Corner. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing SugarPill's Capsule eyeshadow palette. I'm going to do a first impression on it, a quick review, a couple of swatches, and then do a quick tutorial on trying it out, and then give you my final thoughts on it. If you're new here to my channel, please subscribe, click the notification bell down below, and like the video. So if you're ready, then you're ready to see. Stay tuned, stick around, talk to you soon. We're going to be talking about the SugarPill Capsule eyeshadow palette. So I received an email for pre-order for, I believe these are for customers and who are on their list, and I happen to be on their mailing list, and I got a notification to pre-order before it goes out to public. So I wanted to do a first impressions on this, and I have the palette here, and I will show you the palette, and then I'll read you a paragraph on what the palette is about. So you ready? Here you go. Isn't this gorgeous? When I first saw it, I was like, wow, that is so creative. It's so cute too, the packaging. I've ordered stuff from SugarPill such as lipsticks, loose eye powder, but I have not tried any of their eyeshadows. So this is why this will be a first impression for me for their eyeshadows, and of course for this SugarPill Capsule eyeshadow palette. So let me read a little bit about what they have here. And so it says the Capsule Collection Pink Edition, a technological marvel. This transparent palette with molecules of color features 9 ultra pigmented new eyeshadows and a blush. The totally unique pill-shaped palette with mirror is the perfect dose of cute and functional. It contains 5 mattes, 4 metallics, 1 blush. Yeah, that's what they have here as their description for the capsule. So let me take this out of the packaging, but you can see the front and the back. Look at that. That is so cute. So, yeah, let's just open it. It's looking cute. Okay, so you do have to kind of push it out of the plastic. Wow, very, very beautiful. Yeah. Okay, so it's got colors on the back. It says that the name colors. The packaging is very, very cute. Let's see. There you go. And it does have a mirror. So you can kind of see the mirror right here. Right there. Yeah. Okay. So the colors, they look very vibrant. I mean, you can definitely see which ones are the ones that have the shimmer on them and which ones are matte. But I'll give you an up close look. So the actual swatches then under daylight, I'm going to be posting them right here so you could see them. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, yeah, I'm liking them. I'm liking their eyeshadows. So I'll definitely be buying more. All right, so okay, let's move on to the tutorial. So if you want to see it, stick around. Okay, so I did give some thought into which eyeshadows I wanted to use, and I will be using these right here. We'll be using this one, and this one. Yeah, transition. They are powdery, but I like that because more pigmentation comes out of it, and I think it brightens up the eye, or intensifies it, I should say. Now I'm going to pick up the shimmery pink, which is the Dream State. That one has some shimmer to it. So I'm not even sure if you can see it. I wonder if the color would intensify if I used my finger. Oh wow, yep. It does intensify with the finger. You use your finger. I think maybe because it kind of melts in more vibrantly. It's pretty. It's very soft. And it does fall out because it's so soft. So you have to be careful with that color. Okay, so now moving into the purple color. And that purple is called, or plum, I should say, it's called Undone. I'm using Undone. Very pretty. It blends very well too. Soft. I'm going to be using this color here to kind of highlight my inner corner. That's a really pretty color. That one is called Supernova. That's the one that's really soft. Ooh, that is beautiful. That has a shift. Very soft. So let me finish up the look with eyelashes and so forth, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Okay everyone, I'm back with the completed look, and I'm loving the look. I'm loving the eyeshadow. It's gorgeous. I love the soft eyeshadows. I like how they're very pigmented. I did put on the blush here. You can see it. Love the color. It's soft, but it's still showable, so you can tell you definitely have blush. So I like that. I am impressed with their eyeshadows. I like the vibrancy of the colors. They're just very beautiful. So I hope you liked it. So would I recommend it? Definitely, and it's definitely a collector's item for sure. It's so darn cute. So yeah. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, click the notification bell, and then click the like button if you like the review. Yeah, feel free to comment below, and I'll talk to you soon. I hope you liked the review. Thank you.